Good morning and happy Tuesday. It's April 14th. This is Mr. Humke here. Um, so today we're focusing on climate for science. Um, Climate versus weather, two vocabulary terms that some people use interchangeably and they shouldn't be. So we're going to talk about the differences between climate and weather. Also, why is spring warmer? It seems silly to ask the question sometimes. People say, because it warms up in the spring. It's cold in the winter, warms up in the spring, summer's hot. But why? Why does that happen? What are the forces at play in the universe that cause winter to be colder and summer to be hotter? And what about that transition time in between? What do we know about space and orbits and the tilt of the Earth, and how does that how can we put all that information together to explain a simple question: why is spring warmer? I'm actually in the yard right now, and I was just looking at the two overturned chairs over here. It was very windy last night. Of course, that's that's a part of the weather. And why was it so windy last night? What contributed to it being windy last night? And of course, in the springtime, we get a lot of wind, a lot of thunderstorms, really, intense weather patterns. So why is that? That's one of the questions we're going to be studying. And I'll show you a quick little view of the flowers. They're coming out of they're out of the ground there, and getting taller and more beautiful every day. All right, so before I sign off, I'm gonna just mention the Makers Challenge. This will be the second of the 3 challenges. If you do this Makers Challenge, that'll qualify you for the Makers community gathering. And we'll be doing a Google Meet to discuss what we're working on. And it's called the Andy Goldsworthy Makers Challenge. This will also qualify you for a certificate. If you are not interested in the Makers Club, that's okay. You'll still get an Andy Goldsworthy badge if you sometime this week complete the challenge, and that is to go outside and take sticks, stones, leaves, anything, any natural material, and stack it in a sculptural pattern. You know, it should be eye-pleasing and interesting. Take a photo, describe it, draw what you did, whatever, do something like that, and send it to me so that I know what your design ended up being. If you're not familiar with Andy Goldsworthy and his work, definitely go check out his stuff online. It's very inspiring. And if you if you participate in the Andy Goldsworthy Makers Challenge, I will enter you in a random drawing to win this hot glue gun, complete with 2 extra glue sticks, and I will mail it to your home. Okay. Good luck. Happy Tuesday. Email me if you have any questions. Bye.